In episode 6 of Flipping Economics, we will look at consumer theory and we will focus on utility and the law of diminishing marginal utility. What do we as people want? Think about it. What do we want? We want to be happy. How do we achieve happiness apart from family, friends, and the beach? We are happy because we consume. We consume goods. We want a new Volkswagen Golf GTI or a house or the pizza or the chocolate or the nice steak. In economics, we make use of the term utility. Utility refers to consumer satisfaction. What is the degree of consumer satisfaction that a consumer gets from consuming certain goods? Utility can be measured in two ways. The first is cardinal utility, meaning that you attach a value to products or services. A beer will give you 100 utils satisfaction, and a chocolate will give you satisfaction of 45 utils. The second measure is by means of ordinal utility. It means that you put certain goods in specific order. A pizza will give you the most satisfaction, and then an Oreo cookie. Meet Kyle. Kyle is a student and is studying economics at the Northwest University. Kyle is accustomed to drink beer, eat Maggie 2-minute noodles, and don't forget to add the tuna. But Kyle actually has a special fondness for something. He loves condensed milk, which makes him incredibly happy. And Kyle was provided the opportunity to participate in an experiment. He shall be granted unlimited access to cans of condensed milk. Just condensed milk, not water or Coke or any other product. Kyle therefore can drink any amount of condensed milk for free. After each tin of condensed milk Kyle consumes, he will allocate a value to each can to measure his satisfaction. The value is referred to utils. So let's see how Kyle did. We have quantity, the number of condensed milk, and the utility value. For the first tin of condensed milk, Kyle allocated a value of 15 utils. The second tin of condensed milk, he continues to enjoy it and allocates a value of 40 utils. Kyle did not enjoy the third can of condensed milk as much as the first can and allocated a value of 10 utils. With the fourth tin of condensed milk, Kyle does not feel so good and allocate a value of 0. Kyle does not want to drink the fourth can, but I made him start turning green, fell to the floor, and Kyle allocated a value of -5 to the fifth can. With this experiment, we can see that if you give a consumer the exact same product to consume continuously, the satisfaction of the product will decrease. This event is called the law of diminishing marginal utility. Let's look at Kyle's utility values. Can you see that Kyle's marginal utility for each tin of the condensed milk decreased? And then when we calculate the total utility, which is the sum of the marginal utility, we can also see that the total utility increased and then decreased it. So Kyle should have stopped where his marginal utility was 0, and this is where total utility reaches a maximum. After this, marginal utility is negative and total utility begins to decrease.